Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today I wanted to take a quick look here at the all-new 2025 Cedar Creek Cottage 40CRS destination trailer. I did a much longer, more detailed YouTube tour on this RV a couple months ago, but the factory has done a couple updates, so I just wanted to do a little refresher video and show you what this thing is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the new 2025 Cottage 40CRS destination trailer by Forestriver RV here. And I wanted to do a quick update to just kind of show you, as I did do a much longer, more detailed tour on the early 2025. So a lot of things are going to be the same as what you've seen in that video. If you're looking for more details, be sure to check out that video as I open and close the slides for you in that video, and we look at the roof and all kinds of goodies. But I just wanted to kind of show you this one for the customer. This customer ordered it with the queen bed instead of the king bed, so you can get it either way. Now there is storage underneath of there. You're gonna have a big closet. The one on the left behind the mirrors is kind of some shelving, some hanging space here, a lot of overhead cabinet space as well. But here, this one was ordered with the stack washer dryer setup. You are gonna have a pretty good size area here for more, like say linens and stuff that you might want to cram in here, whatever. Now kind of stepping back, you have a huge window right there overlooking the campsite or awning side. You have a TV up top. Currently got the AllaboutRVs YouTube channel up right there, guys. If you're interested in long videos, be sure to check that out again. Currently sitting at about 62,000 subscribers and growing, guys. So if you are interested in helping out the channel, please remember to subscribe and like the video if you find some wealth in the content here. You got some storage down below. You have dovetail drawers, full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. You have night roller shades here in the bedroom. One of your 15K BTU ducted ACs here. USB charger ports. You even have the little blind built into your door window here. But a very nice setup here. One-piece fiberglass shower. Linen area over there. You're going to have the porcelain foot flush toilet. Nice sliding door here. Now back here in the back, this is where it really kind of changed up on the, what I would refer to as mid-year model change, is going to be that whole rear section back there we'll get to here shortly. But over here you have slide outs that are roughly about 6 feet 10 inches tall. So you got bigger, taller ceilings and slide heights in this thing. Very nice setup here with the built-in extension and the hidden drawer down there. You're going to have the flip-up counter extension here. Very beautiful solid surface countertops here. Check out the sink. It's got all that cool gadgets and stuff you've seen on those TikTok sinks. So you got the sprayer faucet, the cup washer, little waterfall rinser there for your veggies. You got your soap dispenser and all the little goodies right here. Storage down below. This one was also ordered with the dishwasher. Huge refrigerator, 12-volt powered by Furrion. Very nice backsplash. Big microwave, big oven. Again, we got the AllaboutRVs YouTube channel playing there on this smart TV. But you got an electric fireplace, the big TV right here with the little mantle. Even have a little hidden drawer in here. That is directly across from your theater seat area. So you got a good view. Now check out all of this hidden storage back in behind here. Some adjustable shelving and some drawers down here as well. Now back here on the rear of the RV, you are going to have a very large sofa back here that does flip out and make into a bed. You got little flip in and out cup holders on each side. Window on each side does open, and then you have that huge windshield in the back. Now this windshield has a power blind, little switch right here. So you push the button and it'll basically close this thing up for you for privacy. We're going to stop here about halfway, just to kind of give you an idea what it kind of looks like there, but nice crown molding and stuff up high. You got your second AC right here. You're going to have another ceiling fan up here. Power theater seat. The slide floor is a composite floor material, very nice, and you don't have to worry about it rotting out like you do on some traditional slide floors that use either a plywood or OSB. So definitely like the upgrade. It's a lot more expensive than doing plywood, but I definitely like the upgrade on the slide floors. You'll also notice it has that woven material instead of carpet on the slide floors. So it is much stronger, easier to clean up, and doesn't stain and tear up as easy as linoleum and also carpet. But what do you guys think of the new look? Very beautiful setup here. Again, by Forestriver RV. Again, dovetail construction here. Like the little extra cutting board here, which is basically right above your trash can right here. All right, again, more detailed video on this thing, opened and closed and the whole 9 yards in the link below in the description. Let's step outside, do a quick spin around the outside. All right, guys, I just wanted to step out here real quick again and show you the outside of the new 2025 Cottage 40CRS here. And again, much longer, more detailed tour in the link below, but just going to do a quick run around here. Beautiful high gloss gel coat exterior, hung fiberglass, not glued together, laminated stuff. It actually has an aluminum studded cage style construction. You could peel the fiberglass off and this thing's still gonna stay together, where a lot of brands depend on glue to hold the walls together. You're gonna have that big power awning up there, deep tint safety glass windows. This particular one was ordered with the dual pane windows as well. They got that new wide G glass entry door with the longer, bigger handle. This one was ordered with 8 stabilizer jacks. Outside TV hookups there. Again, beautiful dual pane safety glass sliding door. Dual axle unit, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. You can get optional slide toppers on here if you want. You could order them from the factory or have your dealer do it. I noticed on the mid-year model change, they also changed up the marker lights. So a little different there. And then the big change on the mid-year model change is going to be this huge windshield on the back instead of the multi-windows. So what do you guys think? Do you like this big windshield setup, or did you like the 3 windows setup that they did before? They also put the little LED light strips on each side there. And again, it has a whole new molded fiberglass cap on it. Moving on around here, you are going to have your ice maker on-off valve / drain valve underneath this slide. You're going to have the stove exhaust vent right there. Moving up here is where all your dumping and stuff is done underneath of here. And again, there's some handles and stuff you pull down below. You're going to have your detachable power cord, furnace exhaust here, cable inlets. This is where you can get to your water pump for some winterization stuff, and also check underneath of your shower and stuff to make sure nothing's leaking. Black tank flush as well. Moving on forward here a little bit, you're going to have your water heater right here. 20-gallon electric kind of residential water heater style. And just to kind of get you an idea, this particular unit was built 10/25 of 24, Model 40 CRS, gross weight 13,345, tire size ST235 80R 16E range tires. Dry weight, with all these options on it, was 12,711 pounds, 42 feet, 5 inches long. Now, your dry weight and your gross weight are pretty close together on this model. I noticed that according to these stickers. But again, this is a destination trailer. When you take it and you park it, you block it, or you put your jacks and everything down, that kind of offsets basically your gross weight of travel and stuff. So your jacks and everything are going to support everything, where if you're traveling down the road, you do have to watch how much stuff you have in this thing. So be careful on that if you're going to try to travel with this. Now this was ordered with the detachable tongue, so you could take the tongue off to shorten it up on those campsites that have length restrictions. Right there, you got a gas line hookup in case you wanted to plug in a portable grill or something. Right there is your hydraulic pump, and then second switch to open and close things. Two 30-pound propane tanks, room for a battery to go here. Heavy duty safety chains. They do a manual jack because they're not expecting you to really travel with this thing. It's more of a park model, so use it once and leave it. 2 5/16 hitch ball. But what do you guys think? Do you like the new interior exterior look, and what do you think of the new cap? That again was the big change for the mid-year model change for their 2025 product. All right, guys, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this video. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. And as always, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Thanks again.